Do you think building a professional website requires a developer, a ton of money, or weeks of dragging and dropping every single block? Well, listen up. There's a brand new AI tool that lets you type just a few simple sentences, and boom, you get a website that looks like it was built by a pro designer with 5 years of experience. No coding, no tech skills required. All you need is a clear idea of what you want, and ChatGPT handles the rest. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use GPT Website Generator to build a full site from A to Z. And at the end, I'll share a secret command that almost no one knows, but it can turn your site into a client magnet, even if you're just getting started. Okay, before we dive into all the cool things you can do with ChatGPT, let me show you how to get started. There are 2 ways, and they're pretty simple. Method 1. For those who are familiar with Google, open your browser and then type the keyword ChatGPT into the Google search bar. The results will show up with a lot of information, but you just need to find the one with the address chatgpt.com and click on it. That's it. Method 2. Go directly. No need to search. In the browser's address bar, just type chat.openai.com and press enter. You'll be taken straight to the login page or main interface of ChatGPT. Very fast, very neat. If you're new here, just click Sign up for free. You can use your email, Google, Microsoft, Apple account, or even your phone. Whatever works best for you. Once you've chosen your method, click Continue. You'll then be taken straight to the ChatGPT homepage. It's super simple. Just so you know, I'm using the free version of GPT 3.5 in this video. No paid plans required, and honestly, it's more than enough to do some pretty cool stuff. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see your chat history on the left. Every time you start a new chat, it's saved separately. Like texting different friends about different topics, neat and organized. Step 1, and it's super important. You need to be using ChatGPT+. That's right. This feature is only available in the Pro version. If you're on the free plan, you won't be able to follow the next steps. Now look to the left sidebar. You'll see a tab called Explore GPTs. Click on that. Then, in the search bar, type Website Generator. You'll see a GPT with that exact name. That's the tool we're going to use to create a full website automatically, just by typing a few sentences. All right. This is where the real fun begins, because I'm about to show you the exact magic prompt I used to build a clean, professional-looking website in just seconds. No coding, no design degree, just clarity on what you want to say, and ChatGPT handles the rest. I'll paste the full prompt I used right here so you can follow along. And if you want to try it yourself, I've dropped it in the video description. Just copy, tweak a few details, and you're good to go. You'll be asked a couple of basic questions. No stress, just keep your answers simple and clear. Name of your YouTube channel, for example, NextGen AI Lab. That's it. Feel free to answer however you like. Then ChatGPT will handle the rest and automatically generate a complete website for you. All right. This is where it gets really exciting. With just one click, ChatGPT snapped its fingers, and boom, you've got yourself a sleek, ready-to-go website, complete with an about page, contact, blog, and fully optimized for the keyword Create Faceless Videos. Now all you need to do is click Sign up to see the website, and you'll be redirected to the B12 platform. If you don't have a B12 account yet, just sign up, then hit Since I already had a B12 account, I just clicked Create New Website, and things kicked off instantly. No re-sign-ups, no back and forth. Generate. In seconds, Your full website will be live, customizable, editable, and publishable, right inside ChatGPT. No downloads, no code. Everything happens right here. And the best part? You can tweak everything to match your style, layout, colors, content, like a real designer, without being one. In summary, today you've learned how to open the website, generate a GPT inside ChatGPT, how to write the right prompt to create an SEO-optimized website, and a sneaky tip to boost your results 2 to 3 times when building websites with AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to NextGen AI Lab so I can keep bringing you more awesome AI tutorials.